My name is SOHAM ZURANGE BE. I completed a Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science from Srimati Kashibai Navale, College of Engineering. After that, I joined the QSpider. Here, I gained expertise in SQL, Java, frameworks, and web technologies, and allowing me to successfully complete the numerous projects. The weekly mock assessment here helped me to improve and ensuring the steady growth of my career. And the knowledgeable trainer at QSpider provided exponential teaching and guidance, and making it ideal place to learn and to join the IT professional. And I heartily recommended QSpiders Hadapsar to join who want to pursue the IT professional career.